let's just review some stuff. Here we have the doc. We don't have any stuff here, so go over some of the HTML EMMET. So HTML EMMET. So let's just go over this stuff. Let's do it there. So the most simplest one that we usually use for the HTML bullet template is the star, the exclamatory. So you have two, the first one and the last one. You can take the first one or you take the last one, but the last one only display this one, which is the exclamatory dot type HTML. So for this one, give you the entire structure, providing title, and you have the body where you write HTML tags for you to display or image or edit on a web page. So let's just change this document to HTML EMMET. HTML EMMET. You have the HTML EMMET. So when you look up here in your browser search engine, you have HTML EMMET, right? So HTML is not key sensitive, or it's not that sensitive like other programming languages like JavaScript or even PHP. So in the browser here, let me zoom it. In the browser, if you just write anything, you have the text immediately here. But for other programming language, they will show you an error. It will tell you say you made an error and you have to correct it before you move on. Well, the rightful way to do that is to use other tag, which is the H1, and you can say hello, which is the common one we do in hello world to get your hello world right here. So this is the correct way we use to write, and we use tag for us to display text on our web page. You have another HTML tag, which is the P. The P stands for paragraph. You see the paragraph, and you have the paragraph, right? So let's just move this one. This is not the key focus. When you say H1, just say HTML EMMET. So let me feel HTML EMMET. The advantage of using the HTML EMMET is to help you write fast, and to write very fast when you're coding, or to write faster code, and to give you a very clean structure. So some of the EMMET tags you can use, like for the div tag, you could say div multiply by 5, and when you enter, you have 5 div tags here. You have 5 div tags. So instead of you saying div, and then you come down to div, you come down and say div, continue writing until you reach 5. No, the EMMET help you just a div times multiply 4, and enter, and you have full div tag again. So, and if you want to make the div tag to be the parent and the p tag to be the child, you can say div greater than p, enter. So now the div tag becomes the parent tag, and the p tag set becomes the child, right? So I can write CSS in here, and the change could be made entirely. Why? Because you have the p tag within the parent tag, which is the div tag div. So this is it. Another one, you have the h1, and you have this hello world plus paragraph tag. Then you want to say this is my website. So enter, and immediately you have this one, right? So let me give space h1. We have two h1 tag to hello world. This is my website, right? And when you go to the navigation link, or you go to the UL tag and the LR, you can use UL greater than LR times 3, and greater than, you want to use the anchor tag, which is, oh sorry, let me carry that. You want to use the anchor tag, which is A, and I want to put it in a link, which is this link, enter, and you have this. So you have link 1, link 2. So let me reverse it or undo. So the UL here stands for on other list, right? So you have the list item. On other list, you have the list item multiplied by 3, anchor tag 3, link tag 3, right? So let me try to go. Then you have this, right? Then you have this. So you could also use the bottom tag, bottom dot. Usually HTML can be used for class. If you use the hash, it can be used for RD. So let me use the RD. The RD will just say bottom btn, which is it. And in the bottom, we want to display text like click me. So you see this, right? Bottom click me, bottom click me. So if we just leave this one like this and you say bottom, let's use class, let's say btn. You only see it like this. When you look in the browser here, we don't have anything. Why? Because we ain't put a click me. So click me. So I have to click me, right? So that's one of the importance of the Emmet tag. So some people write like UTBMM and then before the comment they say class. So all these things are also fine. It's a